Hi everyone, I'm Maricho Petrosky. Don't forget to visit our website for more recipes. Today we are going to make coconut milk curds or latik. Let's get started! To make the coconut milk curds or latik, shake the can well. Use more than one can if you like. Pour the content in a medium-sized saucepan. Simmer over medium-low heat. You may cover it slightly ajar, but turn the heat to low to avoid overflowing. Check and stir it every 8 to 10 minutes to prevent burnt curds. Simmer this for 45 minutes or until the liquid evaporates and the milk curds start forming. When the milk curds turn golden brown, stir them again to keep them from sticking to each other. Then transfer them into a strainer to remove the excess oil. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the oil to drip completely. Then transfer the coconut milk curds into a serving bowl and separate them as needed using a spoon. There you have it, my coconut milk curds or latik. Use it as toppings to any of your favorite delicacies or desserts. Enjoy! What do you think? Is that good? Yeah? Good girl. Good girl. Thank you.